Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you for seeing my video presentation. And let me introduce myself. My name Fitri Dwi Astuti. You can call me Fitri. Next, please look at the picture. Okay? Can you see the picture? Nice. I would like to present about factor causing economic inequality in DIY. And then here, a list of content that will be used for academic presentation as follow. The first one is introduction. The second is factor causing economic inequality in DIY, which consists of three factors. Factor number one, non-effective family planning program. Factor number two, lack of employment opportunities. And then factor number three, lack of education. Economic inequality is an economic condition that is not balanced between one individual with another or between community group with other communities in economic terms. One example of a case of economic inequality can be seen in the picture aside from the uneven development. When poor people have to build makeshift houses and even are not suitable for habitation on the river banks, will housing, luxury office area in a race to be built. Why did I choose DIY? Because DIY is famous for the progress of tourism. But behind the progress of the tourism sector, it turns out that DIY has a problem of bad economic inequality in Indonesia. Can be seen from the graph that in the year 2013, DIY occupied the position with the worst economic inequality in Indonesia. If this is not immediately resolved by the government or the public, it will become an inhibiting factor for the economy in DIY. The next slide is about what factors are causing economic inequality in DIY. And there are three factors causing. The first factor is non-effective planning program. The second factor is lack of employment opportunities. Next, the third factor is lack of education. Of the three factors, let's discuss one by one on the next slide. Then, let's discuss the first factor, which is about non-effective family planning program. Population growth is one of the social problems that attract attention because if overpopulation will cause a lot of influence in various fields of life. Why in DIY the population growth rate is very high? Because in DIY the family planning program is still ineffective. So, it can cause high inclusion of high population. With the high rate of population growth will cause a problem, namely economic inequality. Can be seen on the graph of the population growth in DIY on the slide that the population growth rate in DIY in 2000 until 2010 of 1,4% per year. Next, the rate of population growth in 2010 until 2015 increased by a 1,11% per year. Although the increase in the growth rate is only 0,07% per year, but the impact of its economy is quite broader because it involves the addition of the average population per year. Then, let's discuss the second factor, which is about lack of employment opportunities. Why can there be a lack of employment opportunities? Because the high population growth rate causes slowing employment opportunities resulting in disproportion and will lead to unemployment problems. Because it is difficult to find work, or those who are not looking for work because it is not possible to find work. It will lead to problem, namely economic inequality. Can be seen from the graph that the development of the open unemployment rate in DIY during February 2005 until 2016 looked up and down of 5,05% until 2,1%, and in general having a decreased tendency. In February 2005, the open unemployment rate was recorded at 5,05%. This number increased sharply to the highest level of 7,59% in November 2005. The sharp increase occurred due to the impact of government policies to raise fuel prices twice a year at the beginning and at the end. In February 2016, gradually the rate of open unemployment in DIY decreased to reach 2,81%. Then, let's discuss the last factor, which is about lack of education. The number of children dropping out of school in DIY is quite high. The reason they drop out of school is because of the economic impetus to help family finance have not gotten the chance to go to school or quit school prematurely. Can be seen from the data on the slide that in DIY, the number of students dropping out of school according to school level in the year 2016 occupies the highest number of 792 souls. Then, the next slide is the conclusion. And the conclusion of the discussion contained in the previous slide is: economic inequality is an unbalanced economic condition between one individual and another individual, or between community group and other communities. Inequality in DIY economy saw several economic inhibiting factors in DIY, such as non-effective family planning program, lack of employment opportunities, and lack of education. So, the suggestion is to address the problem of economic inequality. Special attention is needed not only from the government but from every member of society who must be aware of the economic environment. And the last slide of my presentation is the reference that I take from the website as a material for the presentation. Thank you very much everyone for watching my video, and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.